Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A16 5G and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So I'd like to begin with the most interesting code, at least in my personal opinion. We have to open the dialer first of all, as it is the place where we can enter all of those codes. And this code will open the testing mode. It is asterisk pound O asterisk pound. And as I said, we're in the testing mode. So thanks to this mode, we can check our device, kind of. So for example, after tapping on red, your device will display the red all across the screen. And thanks to it, you can check whether it works perfectly fine everywhere. So if you cannot see any missing pixels, so for example, black or white dots, this is how it works. And the same situation with the green, the blue. You can also check. Okay, that's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to check the touch, for example. Let's tap on it, and as you can see here, you've got some squares and rectangles, and basically you have to drag a line all across them until you'll see this green color. If you cannot see it, then it means that this part of the screen is not working properly. So this is how it works. Okay. So to be honest, I highly recommend to enter this code and just have kind of fun, and at the same time you can check your device, so that's nice. Okay, let me go back. Just use the back button twice. Another code will open the email number and the serial number. It is *pound 06 pound. And as you can see right here, we've got both email numbers and the serial number of this device. Which is more, I forgot to say at the very beginning of the video, but I highly recommend to click in the link which is in the description box, because you will be transferred to our website where you can check all of the codes I'll present you today with some additional information. Alright, another code should open the USB settings. It is *pound 0808 pound. And here we've got the USB settings. You can choose between two different modes. Let's go back. Another code which is *pound and the easiest to remember, 1234 pound. And here we've got the version, so we can check the AP, for example, or the exact model. Let's go back. Let's go back and open advanced firmware version. So it is *pound 2663 pound. And here we've got the firmware version with much more information. Let's go back. Now we can also open the service mode, and it is the last code for today's video. It is *pound 2 O's, 2 1's, and pound. And here we've got the service mode. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.